Well, Monday morning after Easter, gonna go down here on Norman, use some leftover bait from the tournament Saturday. See if we can catch us some fish. Stick with us. Yeah, we got some perch, leftover gizzard shad, big old gizzard shad head. I'm gonna let him go back there and go to work. Gizzard shad body. Well, 15 minutes to 8. Got a little bit late start, but let's see what happens. Looks like a pretty decent fish if he ain't tied up. Get you where you can see him just a little bit better. I'm gonna keep some to eat, but that may be just a little too big. I'm gonna get a weight on him. I ain't gonna keep much over 12 pounds or something. Yeah, that's 17.3. We're gonna let him go. First fish though. Thank you, old buddy. We appreciate you. Hadn't come on the perch yet. Pretty good size perch yet. They've been biting pretty good in Davison Creek. Well, that didn't take long. Let's see if we can get another one. Let's see, it's 8:54. Here's a second one. Just stay on. Feels like a decent fish. Sorry you're right in the sunshine. was tangled up. Look at him out there cutting shine. Get him over here off the anchor rope. Another pretty good fish. Another pretty good fish. See what we got here. I'm saying this is going to be close to 20. $22. That's a big old long pretty fish right there. Let's put him back.
Let's go.
We'll see. Yeah. We'll see. Way back there, though. There he is. A damn baby one. Hey. Right below the
Lordy mercy.
Finally got a scope. 52-foot. Oh.
It's a fishy.
Hope that didn't break your foot.
Yeah, I hope
No, must not have been that big.
not. Nah, well, I had it where it would.
Just drag it on me.
What is that, water bug?
Yep, water bug planer board. I mean, I just barely stuck it on it. Is that a blue or a chin? Chin. We'll take it. We'll go get back, but
You don't eat him?
it's fish, eh? Guess that's why he didn't.
You gonna put that big? That over?
Quite as good. You want to show it on? Got it?
Look at there. Just dragging. What's up? 15. Maybe it's EUP.
Water bug planer board.
Just dragging. WZUP 1.5. Booga 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 booga. On the water bug planer board. He's got a race.
Well, yeah. Yep, sure does. Maybe a Ranger bass boat run over it.
Got my hand. There you go, buddy.
Man, might have to get me some more of these just dragging
I'll
with.
tell you what, he ain't been out there in 5 minutes.